Hi everybody. So we're gonna have some black sapote here. I'm on my lunch break right now and I wanted to share with you guys sort of a ripe black sapote. If you've never had them before, they are very interesting, but it's a really good fruit if you've never tried them before. And I order black sapotes from Amazon.com because I can't find them at my grocery stores here in Fairbanks, Alaska, of course. But don't forget Amazon.com because you can order a lot of different type of rare and exotic fruits on there. And of course, Amazon kind of ships anywhere in the world, really. And so that's my main source where I find order a lot of exotic fruits, and I know MiamiFruit.org or .com, they are also a good seller also, but I find that the shipping is a lot cheaper actually through Amazon.com. So because there's a lot of you guys who aren't aware that comment to me that you had no idea you could order fruits from Amazon.com, and I'm like, you know what? Yes, you can. I have ordered rambutans, longans, lychees, guavas, pink guavas, mommy sapote, black sapote, jackfruit, and there's a lot of others too sapodilla fruit, and then passion fruits, and all different types of dates, different types of varieties of dates, and there's just a lot you can order on there, and that's kind of my outlet there. And so since black sapotes are available, I got some black sapotes, and I bought 2 pounds worth, so I have already eaten two of them, and so one is ripe. So black sapotes, when they're ready, I know they're known as like the chocolate fudge fruit, but they don't taste anything like chocolate fudge at all, but they look like it, and it looks very rich and chocolatey when we open it here, but it doesn't taste anything like chocolate fudge. But you most certainly can make it taste like chocolate fudge though, and still be raw vegan if you so desire to do so. But these still have to go a little bit longer, but that's they show up like rock hard when they arrive to me through the mail, but it just takes like a day or two, and they immediately turn super soft, and then they have to turn almost like this. A lot of people think, ooh, that's bad, throw it away. No, 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 it's super good. Most fruits, if not all fruits, have to turn almost what a lot of people think, as they think it's rotten, but it's actually perfectly ripe inside. So I know you can easily pop off the top here. So as you can see, it looks chocolatey, doesn't it? Ooh. But it most certainly does not taste like chocolate. Like, it's a really light flavor. I can't even describe the flavor because the flavor is so different. It's different. I mean, the flavor, it's not very sweet either, but I mean, it looks like rich chocolate fudge. See? Isn't that amazing? But I can't describe the flavor. But what you can do, and what I've heard a lot of other people with their recipes and stuff, is they take black sapote, and then they take a couple of dates and carob powder or even cacao powder and blend it together, and then you've got a nice sweet chocolate fudge. But I mean, it still has flavor. It's really light. It's very pleasant flavor, but the texture, it's nice and filling, and the texture is just very satisfying. It's got that chocolate fudge texture to it. Very good, but there is a seed, so there's seed pods, of course. As you see. That's black sapote. Awesome. Look at that. So seriously, try it. It's really good. The texture is just wonderful. I love the satisfying thick texture. Okay, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys try out black sapote for yourself if you haven't already yet, because it is most definitely a fruit worth trying. Make sure you let it ripen completely, just like this. It's really satisfying, and the texture is just fabulous. The flavor is really good. It really is, you guys. And hopefully you guys try it out. And so remember to love being raw, guys. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys. And I'm sorry, you guys, my mouth is watering because I'm hungry, and this is really good. I'm enjoying it. So I'll let you guys go, okay? See you guys next video. Bye, guys. There's the box. We're gonna do an unboxing here, guys. Yes, we are. Okay, you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this? Okay, here we go. Let me just get one of those out. So there you go. And it is pure black inside. See, there's another one. Yeah. So they're gonna be red day here soon. Look at that. Look at those babies. Love it. I love it. So well worth the price for sure.